Hey, be quiet. I'm about to record, okay? Thank you. So I have something growing on the side of my house. I think it's kale or collard greens. I think it's a type of kale though. Cause I stand here. I don't have a workstation. I need to buy one. Normally, I pile my stuff up on top of this trash can here and work, and I dumped some seeds over accidentally. So I'm sure that's what it is. But you know what? It survived the ice. My cauliflower is doing really good. I planted this last weekend, or transplanted last weekend. There's nothing in there. I'm gonna plant some seedlings that I have growing now. Some cabbage seedlings. Oh, the wind got my little dress blowing up. Fig tree is still alive. I'm excited about that. I think my rosemary is going to be okay. I bought some root stimulator, so I'm gonna clip one of those off and put it in some root stimulator and just start my rosemary over just in case that doesn't come back. But I think it's gonna be fine. My crocus are still doing well. I have a squirrel or a rat or something out here. They keep digging up my crocus bulbs, but I rebury them. This is a blueberry plant. I don't know about this one here. I think I need to take it out the pot and put it in the ground somewhere. I just don't know where. I don't have a large backyard, so we'll see. The Spanish lavender, it survived, so can't wait until spring to see if I can get some flowers on it. I have one on both sides of this little thing here. Oh, bending over. And my pink lemonade bush has a lot of bulbs on it, so I'm really excited to see what's going to happen with this little guy here. It's summer. And this is a Chinese lilac tree. I don't know if that's the appropriate name, but I'm thinking that's it. And I think it's still alive. I see some bulbs. Oops, I'm gonna break it off. Gosh dog. I think I did. Yeah, it's still alive. When I scratch it at the bottom, it's still green, so it's going to make it. And my collards, all of my vegetables came back really fast after the ice. We had ice in Texas about 2 weeks ago for about 2 to 3 days. Extremely cold temperatures for this area. Not for you people living in the north. So yeah, but I clipped, you can see I had to cut all of these collards off right here. But look how fast they grew back. I will link the video showing how dead they look. And then the same thing with my kale. I cut those back too as well, and look, we have new growth. My red onions did fine, which, you know, I wasn't worried about those. They were buried. So, but my green, the green portion of it came back pretty. I also cut one of my cabbages all the way back, and as you can see, I have new growth sprouting up. Very excited about that. And I was gonna rip it up, but something said no, just cut all the dead leaves off and see what happens. This is a cauliflower plant I purchased a couple weeks ago at Lowe's. It's doing fine. And here's another collard green that received a lot of frost bite. I cut it back too as well, and as you can see, it is looking beautiful and growing. And then another cabbage. Now, this one here I cut back. Look at it, it didn't do anything. I'm not gonna rip it up because the roots are tangled with this beautiful guy here, and I don't want to disturb the growth of my best looking cabbage. So this one here is resilient, very strong. You know, it survived the ice without hardly any damage. I have a little yellowing down here at the bottom, but otherwise it's still growing. The head is getting tighter there, so I expect a full cabbage in probably another month or two. So I added some, what did I add to this thing? Never mind the trash bag over there. That's dirt. I filled up this container here. I had sweet potatoes growing in it, so I dumped out the dirt into that trash bag over there, and I need to haul it out. Back to this. What was I? I added some nutrients to this soil here, some soil acidifier. So I have seen some improvement, even though I just did it a few days ago. I'm thinking that's why this is looking so good here, because my soil, it was showing alkaline, and to grow these types of vegetables, the soil should be slightly acidic. Same thing with my blueberries. So hopefully I added that to my blueberries over here as well. So hopefully we get some good growth this summer with those, spring and summer. But thanks for joining in, and you all have a wonderful... Oh yeah, the wind has blown my umbrellas all over the place. It's very windy here in Texas today. So, but I keep those for the summer sun. I don't have any trees in my backyard, so that help. It just protect, the cold crops, or cooler crops, as they say. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you have made it this far, please like and subscribe.
Hey, I
this
decided
video. I'm trying to
to
grow
do
my
a small clip
YouTube
at the end
family.
of this
Have a
video
good
so
one.
you can see how bad my plants were looking at the end of the little ice storm that we had here in Texas. This is the cabbage that I was showing you all a few minutes ago. Look how horrible it looks, and it has come back so nice and beautiful. I'm excited to see the head that's going to eventually develop. And those are the collards that I showed you all there. Now I cut those back, right? And the kale, I only have like 2 little leaves now, but look at that mess. Oh my gosh. But yeah, again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one.